Hey you guys, it's your girl Keyana Talented. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning OG, welcome back. Before we actually get into this video, I want you to stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button. Also turn your post notifications so you guys can get notified every single time that I do drop a video. Now without further ado, let's actually get into this video. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all the tea and giving y'all some tips on how your girl takes her pictures for Instagram and just pictures in general, like my thumbnail pictures and all that fun stuff. So I only record on an iPhone. Now I actually did just recently get another iPhone, so I'm able to record double content, so I'm able to record a lot more content than what I was before. But I literally do everything from editing, filming, taking pictures, editing pictures, all of that is done on my iPhone. And I just say that because it's possible to create bomb content on just your phone. Like, if you don't have the coins to splurge on a camera just yet, don't worry, you can make it work by working with what you got. So I do have the iPhone 8 Plus, the iPhone 8 Plus. And then the phone I'm actually recording on right now is the iPhone 7. Yeah, so I've had my iPhone 8 Plus for the longest. I've had this for about 3 years now, and then I recently just got the iPhone 7. I recently just got this one. This phone is for Japan's services, so I'm able to go out in town, make sure I can stay in contact with Bae, all that fun stuff. So this one is where I was doing all my filming, editing, so all my stuff is on this one. So the things that you will need in order to take like bomb pictures for Instagram and just content pictures in general, you're gonna need an iPhone if you have one. So let me say, this video is, I don't want to say it's just for iPhone users, but I'm speaking for iPhone users because that's what I have. So an iPhone. You're also going to need a little selfie button. I got this off Amazon with a tripod kit. I can't remember which tripod kit it came with because I got like 3 different tripods, or like selfie sticks, I guess you can say, because they're more so selfie sticks. But yeah, so I got this with a selfie stick, I should say, but got it off of Amazon. And then I also have this little tripod. So these are the things that are most important when it comes to me taking pictures and if you want to do this yourself. So I just feel like those 3 things, you Gucci, sis. Okay, you gonna be good. So I take all my photos with this camera. Hold up, let me take this stuff out. I take most of my pictures with this camera. So this is the back camera. So take all my pictures with the back camera. So let me just show you all. I'm gonna open up the camera app, and this is the front camera. Now I'm gonna go over to portrait mode. You wanna take your pictures on portrait mode. And I say portrait mode because it just makes your photo look so crisp. It just makes it look so much, like, it just makes it look so clean. Like, I don't have no other way to describe it. It just really makes your photos look so clean. So another thing that you're gonna wanna do is have you some glass cleaner and a paper towel. Always clean off your lens, your camera thing before you start filming, start taking a picture. Like, I literally do this every time, like I'm about to film or take photos. I spray my paper towel and I wipe down my camera, because if you don't, your pictures will look like blurry and you'll just be like, what is going on? You'll be like, my makeup look good, but if your camera lens not cleaned off, it makes a huge difference. So I always just wipe this down and make sure that it's good. Like this. Okay, so my iPhone camera is clean, and I'm just gonna make sure that my selfie button is connected to my phone, and it is. So great, perfect. And with the finished hairstyle you got. That's a video. So I'm on portrait mode still. Now I take my phone and I put it on my tripod like this. Put put it on my y'all. Okay, so my tripod is a little ring-dink, so it'll be taking me a little hot minute to get it up there, but we Gucci now. Oh, another thing that I forgot to say that you guys should have is a mirror where you can look at yourself to take your pictures, so that you can, you know, see where you're at in the camera and all that fun stuff. So let me see if I can get the camera in here. You guys probably won't be able to see it that good, but okay. So I put my mirror right here, and then I have my camera like this, and I look into the mirror so that I can see myself through the camera, and I just kind of pose. Hold up, let me put a screen recording on so you guys can see what I'm doing, okay? Let's do that so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm screen recording now. Put this back on my tripod. Camera, okay. So I believe that I'm still recording. If not, I'm gonna be hot. Okay, so I have my phone right here, and I'll just be adjusting this mirror to like make sure that I'm in the camera point, and I just snap away like. So sometimes I'll be forgetting to actually look at the camera, like the camera hole. I have a bad habit of like not looking at it. I'll be looking at myself in the mirror, but make sure you guys look at the camera hole so you're not looking cross-eyed and crooked-eyed and all that fun stuff. But I just take my little selfie button and I just flash away. And that is literally how I take my photos, you guys. If you guys want to see how I edit my videos, make sure you guys comment down below and comment for a part 2, and I will show you guys how I actually edit the videos. This video is just to give you guys some tips and tricks on how I actually take pictures, so make sure you're subscribed for all the fun extra content. And it's that easy, you guys. And I'm telling you, if you take your photos like that with portrait mode, you are going to get some bomb photos. Like, y'all, literally everybody always asks me like, what camera do you take your photos on? And I feel like my iPhone, and then my iPhone 8 Plus at that. So it's definitely possible. Sometimes I do take pictures like this, but I typically only take my pictures like that when I'm like trying to get a close-up of my eyes. But for the most part, I just take my pictures like that, and I just like snap and I just snap it away. It's literally that easy, you guys. Like, it's that easy. You just gotta make it work. You gotta get creative when you're doing stuff. Like, before I had this tripod, I was sitting my camera on some books and some shoe cases, and I would just take my photos like that. I would have to do a lot of running back and forth, but I made it work. You know, I made it work, and now we're here. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope these tips are very, very helpful. If you guys do want to see how I edit my photos, make sure you guys comment down below and comment the word edit photos to let me know that you guys want to see how I actually edit my photos. I really don't do too much editing to my photos. Like the portrait mode, you just get a clean photo, but you know, I go back and clean it up a little bit. But you know, that's for the next video. So definitely comment down edit photos if you guys want to see how I do that. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is very important. We need to grow. The crew needs to grow. The crew is growing hella, like it's growing. So I'm very happy and grateful and thankful because of that. But I'm trying to reach, let's see, what am I goal? By my birthday is January 29th, I hope to have at least 20,000 subscribers. That's my goal by my birthday, to have 20,000 subscribers. So help your girl out and make them dreams come true, make them goals come true by subscribing to your girl and joining the crew. Turn on your post notifications, like I said, to get notified for when I do drop videos and when I do drop uploads and posts and all that fun stuff. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram at Keyana Talented, and also follow my TikTok at _Keyana Talented. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.